How's that for high-tech title? Module 2, Lesson 4. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, you'll be adding sums. Have you guys learned that song yet? Do you sing along with me? I like it when people sing along with me. That would be fun. So next time, go ahead and sing with me, okay? So today, we are going to do lesson 4 of module 2. You guys are just rock stars, rocking along. Okay, you guys have been counting to 5, and you already aced that, and you've been writing to 5. How are you doing with that? I love hearing that you're doing good. Okay, so today's lesson. But wait, we've already written everything. All the numbers. Math wizard, think. We've already written it all. What else is there to learn? I'll tell you what else. First, we did 0 and 1, wrote those, and then we did 2 and 3, and then we did 4 and 5. So now you know all the way 0 to 5. But now we're going to mix them all up. Mix them all up. 2 and 5. Do you know the difference? 3 and 0. Like that. Okay? So get your books. Oh, I'm sure you already have your books. You know by now you need your books every day, right? So you have your math book. And you have your pencil. Do you? I'm so happy you're prepared. You're such stars. And today we are going to be on page 41. What does 41 look like? Math wizard, can you please show me? Of course I can. I'm happy to help. I'm going to write my 4. Start at the top, go down to the baseline, cross. Oh, not baseline. Start at the top, go down to the midline, cross. Go to the top line, straight down. And a 1 is from top line straight down to bottom line. This is, can you see that in the light? This is the number 41. It has a 4 and a 1, 4, 1. And so in your book, you're going to find 4, 1. That's what your page should look like. Lesson 4 at the top. There we go. Did you find it? Perfect. Then let's get started. Here we go. Sorry. Okay. There it is. Perfect. Count and write numbers to 5. Are you ready what we're going to do first? First, find the first box, the little 1, the orange box. What number is this? Can you tell me? It's a 4. You're right. Now, what we're going to do is on here, you're going to circle that many objects. Circle the objects that represent the number. Okay, so let's do this together. Ready? Let's count. We need to count to 4. When we get to 4, stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Don't count anymore. And all of those that we put that mark on, we're going to circle those. And that is our group. This guy, he's not part of our group because we don't need him. We only wanted 4. Okay? Good. Let's go to the second box, this 2 on the balloon there, this rectangle. Ready? This is the 2. You can trace those numbers if you want, if you need extra practice or if you want extra practice. So 2, we're going to count flowers. And once we get to 2, we're going to stop. Okay, ready? Let's count. 1, 2, stop. Don't count anymore. 2, that's our group. We're going to circle them. Okay? Here we go to this group. 5, fish. That looks like a yummy dinner. Ready? We're gonna count. And what are we gonna do when we get to 5? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna circle. This time we're circling all of them. You guys are so great. Now pairs. Yum, pairs. This is the number 1. Yep, it's the number 1. So when we get to 1 pair, we're gonna stop. We're just gonna have 1. Ready? 1. 1, and circle it. Oh my goodness, you guys totally can do this. You guys are just math stars, for sure, for sure. Ready? Next page, turn in your book, page 42, 4 and 2. Here is a beautiful, beautiful picture, right here. Ready? You're gonna point to each flower as you count, and then you're gonna write the number that represents how many flowers are in the vase. Get your pointer fingers out, and you're gonna point in your book, and you're going to count each one. Okay? So I am going to use my mouse to draw this, or to count this. Ready? Maybe I won't. I'll use my mouse. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I hope you counted with me at home. How many did we say? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's write that number. Do you remember how to write a number 3? Let's start. Ready? Go circle, around, and down. 3. Wonderful. Now, move to this one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wait, are you counting with me? Let's start again. I don't think you are all counting with me. Ready? Say it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Were you pointing as you counted? Good job. Ready? The 4. And we know how to do a 4. Start at the top, go to the midline, cross over, lift your pencil, go to the top, and straight down. 4. Oh, here's a vase. Can you count? How many are there? Say it with me. 0. Do you remember how to draw 0? Start at the just around the top and round and down and all the way back up. Good job. Oh, this vase is full of flowers. Lots and lots of flowers. Don't you love flowers? They're so pretty and there's so many different kinds. I love flowers. So much fun. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting. Do you remember how to do a 5? Start at the top, cross, down to the midline, and around circle. Excellent. You guys, you're math stars. I know you know that by now, right? But you guys are. Okay, can you see what it says? It says on your own. On your own, all by yourself. You just have to listen, okay? Get your pencils out. Are you ready? Number 9, right here, number 9 in the star. Here's a plate of apples. You're gonna count each apple in the bowl. Write the number that represents how many apples. Represent, show. Write the number that represents how many apples. Got it? You're gonna do that in this one and this one. So you count and write the number. Count and write the number. Pause the video while you do this. I bet you got it right. I can't wait to see. Okay, here we go. Number 11. Are you ready? There's 2 plates and there's a number. I wonder what we're gonna do. Here we go. Say the number. Say it out loud. Circle the bowl of apples that represents this number. Which plate of apples shows this number? Pause the video while you do that. Okay. Number 12, the fish bowl. Do you have a pet fish at home? We have fish at my house that live in the horse water. The horses don't eat them. Okay, fish bowls. Ready for this question? I should probably turn my page so I can see the fish bowls. Just like you, are you on page 44? At the bottom of your page, does it have the number 4 and 4? Good. Okay, ready? There are 3 fish in a bowl. I'll say it again, listen. There are 3 fish in a bowl. Circle the picture that represents the story. Which one? And then you're gonna write that number on that line right there. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, here we go to the green box, 13. There are 2 flags on a rope. Circle the picture that represents the story and then write the number of flags. There are 2 flags on a rope. Circle which one and write the number. Okay, number 14, blue box. Ready? Draw a group of objects that is larger than 4. Do you remember what that means? What larger means? Draw a group of objects that is larger than 4 and write the number right here. Yeah, you want to pause while you do that because that might take you a while. So my friends, you finished another lesson, and that is wonderful, fabulous. I am so proud of you. You're working so hard. Your moms have been telling me how hard you've been working in math and that you guys are math stars. I mean, this math wizard is so happy with how you're doing. So keep it up, and I will see you tomorrow.